What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the new daily driver slash channel build. We got rid of the Xterra in the last video. So as you can see, we're looking at a 2014 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition. First, I'm gonna go over some of the things that I've already done to it, because obviously this is not stock. And then I'll go over some of the reasons why I chose the 4Runner instead of, my second option, which was the Toyota Tacoma. So looking at the front of the vehicle, you can see these are the OEM TRD Pro Valances from Toyota. I didn't want to wrap it or plastic dip it or anything like that. I kind of wanted a permanent solution to start with. For the emblems, I went with the overlays. Again, instead of a vinyl wrap or plastic dip, this is more of a permanent solution. It's just an overlay that has adhesive on the back of it. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. They're a little pricey, but to me, it's worth it. Like I said, you cry once and it'll be an option that kind of holds up versus plastic dip or something like that. Coming around for the wheels and tires, well, this is a 285/70/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler, and to get these to fit, there is a lift on here. We have a 3-inch in the front and a 1.5-inch in the rear. This is the Toytech spacer lift, and it's sort of temporary until the money's there for something a bit more serious. But I like the Nittos a lot. They're really quiet, and they are covering the Method Race NV wheels in matte black, which I liked as well. Kind of had my eyes on those for a while. If you come around to the rear, you've got your TRD Pro rear valance. Not too hard to do yourself. I would not recommend taking it to a shop for that. You can just pop the bumper off and swap those out. It's pretty straightforward. And again, you've got the rear emblem overlaid. And if you can see up top, we did also add the crossbars up there. Those are just the factory OEM crossbars. It's going to be fine for what I use it for, which is just to transport my kayak. If we'll take a look on the inside, this is actually the first thing I did to the vehicle. These are the WeatherTech floor mats. These things are great. Most people choose these or I think they're called the Husky liners. I just went with WeatherTech. It's not big of a difference. And they lock in place, which is nice. Same with the rear. The rear does go all the way across. It covers that hump, which is nice. And yeah, now I guess I can go over some of the kind of quirks and reasons why I chose the 4Runner over any other vehicle. First thing is this rear window. So if you just twist the key, the rear window is going to go straight down, which is awesome if you have, like I do, I have a kayak on top sometimes, and I can't open the hatch because it would hit the kayak, so I can just lower the window, access my gear, and you just turn it to the right to send it back up. And like I said, you can do this from the inside too. There's a switch. I'm sure most of you guys know this. This one came optioned with the cargo tray, the sliding cargo tray. I've heard from people that this is really much like a love or hate sort of thing. For me, I really like it. It slides out. It's got two different lengths you can pop it out at, and the weight capacity on it is about 450 pounds, so you can use this as a tailgate. And it actually gives you a little bit of storage underneath the tray to hide things. I don't know what you could fit in there, but maybe you're out for the day and you could put valuables or a laptop and whatnot. Behind that, you've got a extra little cargo spot, which I like. You can put straps in there. I usually keep my ratchet straps in there. I like that. I don't know if this is specific to the cargo tray model, but I think it is. Another plus with the cargo tray, if you stay right here, I'll come around. These ones actually fold completely flat. So when you have this down, having all the seats down like this, it's pretty much like having somewhat of a Tacoma-sized bed. So nice for gear and hauling stuff like that. It's nice and flat. The final option, which is pretty much the biggest option on the 4Runner, it was something that I kind of had to have when I was researching these. I know I wanted a trail edition. I wanted those 4-wheel drive components. I wanted the crawl control. And I knew that I wanted the KDSS as well. The KDSS is basically, I think it stands for Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System. It's what they put in a lot of the Lexuses, and it's sort of like an electronically disconnecting sway bar, but not really. It sort of gives you more cornering ability, so the 4Runner is going to stay level, and it helps off-road as well, so I've heard. So we'll put that to the test soon. But yeah, this is the new vehicle. A few more changes coming to it soon. We'll keep you guys posted, and we'll have a few more videos on it coming soon. Yeah, thanks for watching.